How to export a PDF with high-resolution image in PowerPoint. So if you want to export a PDF with high-resolution images in PowerPoint, then first what you need to do is open up your PowerPoint, go with your files, which will be on the top left, then choose Options, and then you need to go with the Advanced section. Under Advanced, you need to scroll to Image Size and Quality, and then you'll find an option of Do Not Compress Images in File. This tells PowerPoint to preserve the original image data. Just below that, see the default resolution to high. High fidelity prevents downsampling and keeps the images crisp as they started. This combination ensures your visuals aren't quietly reduced behind the scenes. Now you're ready to export to PDF the right way. Click on OK. Now go with your files and then choose Export and select Create PDF XPS. And make sure under the open file after publishing, you'll have optimized for. Here you need to make sure that it is selected as standard, publishing online and printing. After that, you can also go with your options. If you need accessibility, then keep the option for document structure, tags for accessibility checked. This keeps the PDF usable for screen readers without affecting the image sharpness. Now everything looks good. Click on Publish and finally test your PDF. Open it and then go to 200% or 300% and even 400% and look closely at your images, lines, and text. High-resolution images should remain clean and crisp without edges. They don't break apart into visible blocks. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.